Hello everyone, this is Sakshi Saxena here. I hope you all are sound and safe at your home, and today I am going to teach you class 1 GK chapter 1, and then in my next video I will be teaching you chapter 2 as well. Okay, this is your GK book. I request all the parents not to panic if you don't have books. We will be helping you out so that you can do your work and help your child in learning. Please keep a copy in your hand so that you can note down whatever I say. If you don't have any new copy, old copies will work equally for us. Okay. Now, this is your book. Okay. And today I will be covering chapter 1 right now. Name of chapter 1 is My Country. We all know what is the name of our country. India. India is the name of our country. It is also known as Bharat. Okay. Now, what is the capital of our country? New Delhi is the capital of our country. Now, our country India. This is the map of our country India. It is divided into several states. You can see that India inside it is marked with different colors. These are the different states. Okay. But it is also outside India. We have different other countries as well. It is surrounded or neighbored by other countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, China and Myanmar. Okay. Now, we are going to do two simple exercises which you have to do in your copy as well. Now, this is the first exercise which I will be covering. The heading is are the following cities in India. Now here we have written 14 places. Okay, you have to see these places are inside India or not. If yes, you have to put a tick in front in the column, and if they don't belong to India, you have to put a cross. Now the first one is London. London is not in India, it is outside India. Okay, so we will put a cross in front. Next is Hyderabad. Hyderabad is in India, so we will put a tick in front. Third one is Mumbai. It is in India, so we will put a tick. Fourth one is Lucknow. It is inside India. We will put a tick in front. Fifth one is Kolkata. Again, it is inside India, so we will put a tick. The sixth one is Colombo. Colombo, it is outside India, so we will put a cross. Seventh one is Chandigarh. Chandigarh is in India. We will put a tick. Eighth one is Islamabad. Islamabad is not in India. We will put a cross. The ninth one is New Delhi. I told you that New Delhi is the capital of India, so obviously it's in India, so we will put a tick. 10th one is Bhopal. It's in India. We will put a tick. 11th one is Berlin. It is not in India. We will put a cross in front of it. Kathmandu. It's not in India. It's in Nepal. Okay, Nepal is another country, so we will put a cross over there. Then Moscow. Moscow is not in India. It's outside India. We will put a cross. 14th one is Srinagar. It is in India. We will put a tick. So with this we have seen that these are the 14 places which we have covered, in front of which we have to put a tick or cross. But our country is not divided into only these few places which are inside India. Rather, there are many other places which are inside and outside India. We cannot cover all of them, so we have taken the example of these few. Okay, I request all the parents to help their children to learn all the spellings which may help them further. Okay, now the B1 is a fill in the blank exercise. We have given options over there, but in exam I can give options for your word, or I may not give options, so you have to learn the spellings without the option. Okay, now the first one is dash is the father of our nation. We all know that who is the father of our nation. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi or Bapu, he was also known as Bapu. He is the father of our nation. Second one, dash was the first president of India. Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. Now the third one is dash was called Chacha. Okay, Chacha was a nickname or the title given to whom? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, because he loves children a lot. That's why we call him Chacha. Now the fourth one is dash is another name for India. In the starting of the chapter only I told you Bharat is the another name for India. The fifth one is dash is the capital of India. Which place is the capital of India? New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. Here there are 5 fill in the blanks and I have written the numbers opposite to the words which are the answers. I request all the parents to note down these 2 exercises in the rough copy or whichever copy you have and help their what to learn them. It will be coming in UT and I will be checking all the copies when the school reopens. I hope you all have learned something from this video and you all be taking it seriously as well. Thank you.